Guys, this is going to be the easiest tutorial you have ever seen in your life. So please prepare yourself, and I'm going to have some before and after pictures. So what you're going to do to take high-waisted pants and make them not high-waisted is literally cut them from where it's high-waisted to where it's not. You guys can then fix the hemline by either sewing or using an adhesive that you can iron down to just kind of fix the top of it so that it's not open, but I personally think it's fine the way it is, and plus I don't plan on wearing these without a belt, so with a belt you can't even tell that anything needs to be altered. They just look like they came this way. The thing that inspired this whole thing is that my husband and I had lost weight, and we honestly could not afford to buy new clothes, so I had to alter what I had in my closet. And so that is literally it. The only other thing I want to say is when you cut these pants, you're going to want to cut them in a little bit of an angle, as you could probably see in this video, because you want to try to hide as much of the cutting behind the seam as you can. Alright guys, thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.